think it's amazing. It's just a beautiful, kind of artsy take on Fashion Week, which I love. I love when art meets fashion and it just explodes, and that's what I am doing today.
I say that the presentation is amazing. The way that she set up the entire venue, I love it. I love the rustic vibe.
There is an essence of the girl's trip to Morocco, which inspired this collection, and I think that's really lovely.